Today we are going to see how to install WordPress and apply a theme. So log into cPanel, click on Softlicious app installer, click on WordPress. Now click install now. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on. If you want to install it on the root folder, just remove this. If you want to install it on a specific folder, give it here. Now site name and description can be changed later as well, but I'm just changing it. Give a username and password. Better to change from admin to something else. Then click on install. Once it is installed, you will get the URL. Click on that. Now come to appearance and themes. So here you can add a theme. Click on add new. Here upload theme. Then choose the theme file which you have planning to upload. In my case, I'm storing it in the download folder. So show the zip file and click on install now. Once it is installed, click on activate. It will ask for few recommended plugins to be installed. So click on begin installing plugins. Once all the plugins are installed, click on run the setup wizard. Click on get started. You can choose any theme. So we are applying a theme which is kind of for a sample purpose, so that from there we can keep updating. Once you select the theme, click on select and then install demo. And click on import. Once import is over, we can give some basic settings here and then click on continue. We are going to update this site with Elementor site builder, so we are not really worried about what changes we are going to do here. So now the site looks like this. So here the page, the part which is just below the menu till the footer, we'll be able to update with Elementor. So let's see how to do that. When you click on customize, some of these general settings are available here. So we'll just close that and then go to dashboard. Here we have to go to pages, so make sure that you're not going to the post but the pages. Click on all pages. Now this is the home page. You can click on edit with Elementor or edit, so both will take you to the same place. So I'm just going to click on edit and then click edit with Elementor. So now, as we mentioned, all the pages here, all the components or blocks can be edited. Click on, say for example, if you want to make some changes here, just click here and then make the changes. Images can be changed here in the style session. Like that, all the blocks can be updated using Elementor, and then you can submit. So here in the settings, you just make sure that page layout is default, so that it takes the default page layout of the theme which we have applied. Thank you for watching my video.